What's the secret to vitality? Less masks. The less masks you wear, the better you feel. The better you feel, the quicker you recover. Because you're not recovering anything. You're not retrieving anything. You're always you. Try it. That's the wisdom of Racoon today. Racoon's so beautiful, it has to operate at night because its fur is so special. And they are so special. And so they have to operate in darkness, or else everyone would try to take from them. I know. I've sacrificed my own hands just to have a taste of freedom. To get to love myself and give myself attention. I want to inspire you to do that for yourself. Because the more people walking around who can give themselves their own money, moon energy, their own love, their own Cancerian goddess rising, mother love, astrologically speaking, the less disease there will be in this world, and the less maintenance it will require, because everyone will be maintaining homeostasis in the emotional realms, and everyone will be free. There won't be any emotional slaves to relationships with money and energy. Blue jays are telling me I must go. That's the message right now. It's time to go pick up my daughter from school. I have to be of service to her. I have to teach her how to manage her emotions so that she isn't another mess in this world. We have a lot of work to do. It starts with us women. So step up. We exist. Anyway. Take care of yourself. You're probably really important. Yeah, I know. It's time. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.